Greetings, you tubulites. I can't say that with a straight face. Hey guys, I wanted to check in with you here real quick. I got a package in the mail yesterday and I waited to today, get my self-control to open it for you. So first thing, before anybody says anything, I have no grease in my hair, just a little bit of hair tonic. I'm on a grease sabbatical here for most of this midweek while I'm off work. Just trying to give my hair and my scalp a rest from product because too much of it, even good stuff, is just a lot. So, but I got a package in the mail today from Auvenbloom Gardens. Remember them? I guess they call it Auvenbloom soap on here. And I got a bunch of ink on my hands from where I tried to cover up my address. Auvenbloom soaps, yes, makers of the Gentleman's Club soap that I just reviewed the other day, as well as, I think it was like a pipe tobacco one or something that I reviewed a while back that I've been using forever. Really like their soaps. Look at this huge box. What could be in here? I ordered 3 bars of soap from these guys. So I just love, what is this? I don't even know what this is, what this box came from. I'm gonna have to look up what the Scotty stuffer is. That doesn't sound right. For you dog owners out there, cover your eyes. Anyway, Marsha's been really great. I love working with these small independent vendors because you know, they're trying to get an edge in the market, and so a lot of them are really enthusiastic about talking about their products, answering questions, sharing information, and kind of sharing in the enthusiasm when they get a nut like me who loves their stuff and blabs all over the internet about it. So, so she's been really cool. She sent me, let's see what she sent me here. I got a note here, or a packing slip. So one thing I'll tell you about her site, periodically, either just to rotate inventory or because she's discontinuing a scent, or just wants to move some stock along, she will discount stuff. So I got these 3 bars of soap for $3 a piece. Which is really cheap. I forget how much off that is, but it's a considerable markdown. And that's how I got the last batch of them too. So that's another thing you probably won't find from the big sellers. They move a lot of inventory anyway, so they don't need to do that as much. All right, I love this. This makes me so happy. So first thing, this is how they came packaged. They were in the box, and look at this, individually padded. And part of the reason why is because this soap, all of these 3 soaps that I ordered are called Shooting Star, and look. You have to be like so creative to come up with something like this. This is something, let me get kind of out of the rockabilly guy clock. This is something you just have to be really creative to come up with. I would never think to do something like this. And this is why I love cottage businesses. So these are cool. I forget what she described this fragrance profile of these as. I'll put it in the description. They smell good though. They smell really good. And as independent businesses often will do, she sent me a bonus. This is called Tuxedo. And she wants me to give this a try and review this. So it smells good. But like I said, I'm not good at guessing the profile. So I'm going to have to get that info for you guys and put it in the description. But how cool is that? And they're all like that. It's not just one. This one's kind of smashed a little bit. But they all have shooting stars on them. This is the one that I think I did that when I put it back in the wrong way or something, but oh, I love it. So yeah, I can't wait to try these. And from what I can tell, these stars are 100% soap, biodegradable, and usable, and I intend to use them. So so watch for that. So cool. I'm so excited to be supporting her. She did leave me a note. Have a blessed day. Thank you, Marcia. So yeah, that's really neat. That's really neat. Look for a first scrub on these in the coming weeks, month. I don't go through soap super fast, and I have a couple of them open right now. So, but I will be doing a review on these. And when I do, I'll have a little more information on the scent profiles and the ingredients and stuff for you. So, but thanks for checking in. By the way, I don't know if there's any background noise or not. There is a thunderstorm going on right now. It is Florida after all. And the Lord has been at work today. So if you did hear anything in the background, that's what that was. I'm not in a war zone. Don't worry. Thank you guys for checking in. I'll have more for you soon. Stay tuned. God bless. Later.